I will not stay silent. I will not be quiet. I will not stop. I will not quit. I have the ability, the strength, the knowledge, the articulation to change this crap. I want every single person to go to your city council meeting. I want every single person in America to go to your city council meeting, and I want you to show them these cuffs, and I want you to demand that they be banned. I will release the Velcro straps. I will release my patent. You guys...
I'm a liar. Oh, I'm a liar.
You serious?